I'm here in a cloth shop called Chester Enterprises. Well, I'm here in SM, supposed to be paying my taxes, and then they're offline. Might as well look for all these shirting materials because I always have his shirt made to order now to make it more comfortable for him. So I'm gonna have to look for the proper cloth for him to wear that will match his personality, or I think that for myself I'll be looking at it nicely, So these are the shirting materials that they had do. Very shocking, checkered at 110 per meter, 45 width, and they got this one on the top as well, 185 per meter. This suitie. And they got that's for suits, but this is in Chester Enterprises here in SM, where you can find a variety of different cloth. And they are fairly priced for clothes cloth. They don't have a lot of those sewing for curtains. No, they don't. They are mostly for clothes. So I have bought Old B to 4 sort of shirting materials because I'll have some made for him, new ones, since I've been making his shirt to be made to order now instead of ready to wear, which is he finds better. Now I could have him 4 new shirts because it takes a while for it to be made. So this is Chester Enterprises, or you can find most of your clothing needs for your made to order dresses and materials. And they have very cheaper price than most cloth shop, and they have a variety of choices as well. They have branches here in SM City, and their main branch is in downtown area, around Colon, in Manalili Street, Colon. Because the whole area we call it Colon anyway. So, but for curtain materials, they don't have it here. It's mostly for dresses, cloth shirts, wools for suits over here, and other linings and stuff. That's the name, Chester Enterprises. So you can see here that there is expensive materials for dresses, like $7.50 per meter. There's the laces, and there's the sequence ones on the top, and there's the laces on the bottom. So you can find all your varieties of materials for your dresses. These are the expensive ones. This is embroidery, 1,500 per meter. Those embroidery lace for gowns. And there's the other stuff there. Laces are $7.50 per meter, and this embroidery ones is 1,500 to this one is 1,200 per meter. Like Old B now, he will be having 4 new shirts made to measure to the comfort that he wants. He wants it longer sleeves, longer back, you know, the one that you cannot get on the ready-to-made clothes, ready to wear, I mean. So I'm having him as made to measure, tailored, made to measure. Even his trousers is made to measures. The only one that his underwears are not made to measure. You can still buy it on regular shops, ready to wear. Again, this is located in SM City, Cebu, and their main branch is in Manalili, Cebu City. So aside from Chester, they also got Fabric Plus and Telefabrica, where you can choose some other printed clothes, and Telefabrics mostly is on curtains. I'll have a look inside. This is here in Fabric Plus, where you can find mostly about curtain materials and upholstery materials. Because you know, I sew my own curtains, so I know how to look for the nice ones that good quality and will not fade on the sun. Although I line my curtains anyway. Look at their curtain. Different design. Of balance on the top of the curtains. Oh, look at that, dramatic. Ga, kana bang inana nga balance ba? Unsa na pag-attach? So you can see here they have variety of curtain design and variety of blinds. You know, there's a blind on there that you can see on the side and on this side as well. So the prices of their blinds start as $395 per square foot. But this is Fabric Plus, where you can buy your curtain needs and your upholstery needs. That's what they're specialized for. So you got some sale prices like that. Sale 30% off in some materials, but not all. Mingaw ga, no? Lagi sale 50% off on this one. Selected item sale. That green one, $980 new. That's a good nice one. Oh yeah, that is very nice cloth. And then I could make a good curtain on that one. $980 per meter. Wow. The last time I bought here was like $800 per meter. That's my red curtains, and it's still looking lustrous and like seems like new. It does pay to have an expensive, like that one, $850, like the same quality as that one is what I bought before. That's now standing on some of my windows. You can hear the carolings on the background. But look at the mall. The mall is very quiet.